welcome once again to B4U Star Stop, the new Star Stop, the new sitting at home, and my artist sitting at home, my artist chilling at home. Life बहुत change हो गई है. Guru Randhawa Dhvani, thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you so much for having me.
और ये इतना cool हो गया ना तुम सबके लिए. घर पे literally, are you bored at home? मतलब ये नया वीडियो तो आप लोग ने of course गोवा में शूट किया है, looking awesome. We'll talk about that later. But last 6 months, Dhvani, have you got bored or did you actually do anything? मतलब music, yeah.
Really bored. I love going out, and full my life had become this.
But what about the creative juices? चीजें सीखना, चीजें गाना, चीजें करना.
I did ना. Then I was like, एक महीना तो I was figuring it out. I was like, shit, dude, ये तो life end हो रहा है मेरा. ये क्या हो रहा है? सब खराब हो रहा है. And then I was like, चलो, let's focus. Let's regroup and focus on something that's important.
Let's talk about going to Goa and just being free to shoot over there. You know, just your experience of just knowing that चलो ठीक है हम लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं and you know we're closing out almost 6 months of doing nothing. When you landed up there, was it super fun or were you just saying, "Arey wow, I'm just excited to be back in front of a camera. I don't really care how this video goes."
I think I was happy that I am moving out of the house firstly, and in front of the camera is always a delight.
And happy shooting with me.
When it's
Tell them.
so it's even more amazing, huh?
Tell them you were happy that it's me you shooting with.
Yeah, this I had to say first. I was very happy that I'm shooting with Guru sir. And I was very happy that
गाना बनेगा तो शूट होगा ना. गाना तो पहले आना चाहिए ना. तो गाना पहले बना है.
अरे तो वही तो बोल रही हूँ.
Please
That's
tell
what
them.
I'm
Tell
saying.
everybody.
Yeah, I'm saying, so I'll tell you the whole story how it started, okay?
Yeah.
So first, so in April, he sent me the song, and I was genuinely very excited because the song was really amazing.
Yeah.
And after that, I dubbed it, and then he said that oh, अच्छा लग रहा है. So then after that, we dubbed. He came back and dubbed me in Mumbai, and then after that, we decided चलो video करेंगे. So then the video, then T-Series said that, we can ask Remo sir if he'll do it. And Remo sir agreed. And then I was like, whoa, crazy stuff. ये तो बड़ा बन जाएगा यार.
अच्छा तभी रेमो सर की वजह से ना वो लो एंगल शॉट्स जहाँ पे तुम्हारा ऐसा ऐसा डांस चल रहा है, that's what I like because he actually not just the choreography, it's also the angles that he shoots at, man. He's got his different style of shooting it, man.
Angles on मेरी acting.
He kept going on, Sorry.
गुरु पाजी आपकी तो एक्टिंग A to Z. मतलब आपको भी लो एंगल में ऐसे शूट कर रहे थे जब आप चल के डांस कर रहे हो. I'm liking it. आपका स्वैग तो था ही.
I'm a pro, my bro. I'm a pro.
But you're ready now. I think it's now time कि गुरु पाजी को we have to see. I think there's nothing left.
Wait, you didn't tell him?
You're doing a film? अच्छा, तभी तो इतना वर्कआउट चल रहा है. अच्छा. और वहां पे बीच शॉट जरूर होगा.
Doesn't he look like a hero now?
He always looked like a hero with swag.
He's so charming, very beautiful.
Film has 8 songs. It has an interval. Climax है उसमें. एक हीरोइन है, 2 गुंडे हैं. मैं हीरोइन को बजाता हूँ भाई हर मोड पे. मैं अपनी जान की बाजी लगा के बजाता हूँ. और देन हीरोइन के मॉम डैड हैं और वो बहुत क्यूट हैं.
वो आपको छोड़ के चली जाती है.
ये मनगढ़ंत कहानी नहीं पूछ रहे पाजी, रियल फिल्म की बात कर रहे हैं. कोई रियल फिल्म कौन सी कर रहे हो आप? ये जो आप घर पे स्टोरी लिख रहे हो वो नहीं. मैं कह रहा हूँ रियल सेट पर कौन सी फिल्म शूट कर रहे हो आप?
सेट पे भी करेंगे भाई, जल्दी करेंगे. But yeah, this was very much fun shooting this song after so long, and we had great fun. We wanna thank Dhvani for her vocals. She's done great job, and everybody's loving it. My mom dad are loving it. They said the song is very cute, and thanks to Bhushan sir, thanks to Ramo sir, thanks to everybody at T-Series for helping us out in everything during the shoot and during the recordings. And thank you everybody जिन्होंने गाने को सुना, उसको प्यार करा और गाना सुनी जा रहे हैं. And I'm just very glad. I'm very happy.
Do you think, Guru, the way people are...
धोनी जो आपने खाना भेजा था कल, वो बर्तन आज हम T-Series छोड़ देंगे, ठीक है?
नहीं, okay. कोई बात नहीं.
ये इनका अलग से ही चल रहा है. But Guru Paji, I want to ask you on a serious note. Do you think जैसे लोगों की कंजम्पशन बेसिस ना इतना चेंज हो गया पिछले 6 महीने में, इतना ज्यादा कंटेंट लोगों ने कंज्यूम किया है, यू नो, फिल्में, वीडियोस, सॉन्ग्स, डू यू थिंक देयर इज गोइंग टू बी अ स्लाइट चेंज कि जिस तरह का म्यूजिक सैम्पलिंग लोग करने वाले हैं, या फिर आपके इस गाने के साथ यू नोटिस कि वैसा ही क्रेज और वैसे ही पागलपन है? मोर देन 4 करोड़ व्यूज ऑलरेडी.
You know what the thing is, जब जो म्यूजिक है, म्यूजिक इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, है ना? म्यूजिक इज एवरीडेज रूटीन, एवरीडेज नीड फॉर एवरीबडी ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. एवरीबडी हैज डिफरेंट टेस्ट इन म्यूजिक. एवरीबडी listen to something when they are in some, they are happy, if they are sad they listen to something else. But past 6 months, we it was a very new thing for everybody, जिस चीज से हम गुजरे हैं. सो वो किसी को पता नहीं था ऐसा हो सकता है. तो उसमें उसमें टू रिलीज म्यूजिक इन दैट पर्टिकुलर फेज, मार्च से लेके अगस्त सितंबर तक जो म्यूजिक रिलीज हुआ है, या आप अगस्त तक कह सकते हो, सितंबर तक फिर भी रिलीफ हो गया, तो थोड़ा सा इट वाज, थिंग्स वर गोइंग इजी सितंबर में. बट अगस्त तक जो हुआ था उसमें आई थिंक जो जो रिलीज हुआ है वो सर्वे के साथ रिलीज नहीं हुआ है, वो बस रिलीज के लिए रिलीज हुआ है. Because if I am on set, if I am shooting my music video, it has to be Guru Randhawa's music video. I can't just go without the crowd shoot कर लो, या जाके पार्क में बैठ जाऊं कि भाई ठीक है करने के लिए करना है, या घर से शूट कर लूं. मैं वैसा आर्टिस्ट नहीं हूं. क्योंकि लोगों ने मेरे को जिस तरीके से देखा है, आई वांना मेक श्योर आई सर्व द बेस्ट क्वालिटी टू देम. क्योंकि नई वीडियो तो चल रही होगी बट साथ में पुरानी भी पॉप अप हो रही होगी, तो वो फिर पता चल जाता है. बट या म्यूजिक कुछ नहीं चेंज हुआ है. आई थिंक समय थोड़ा सा चेंज था. जहां से रुका था, वो जब म्यूजिक आ रहा था एकदम रुक गया बीच में. फिर लोगों ने जस्ट टू फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स वाला केस करा है कि भाई डालना है तो डालना है. बट मेरा कुछ वैसा नहीं था, बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन म्यूजिक फ्रॉम पास्ट 5 years टू द मार्केट, एंड सारा म्यूजिक हमने क्वालिटी दिया है, सो दैट if somebody from our country and उसका कोई फ्रेंड बाहर का भी सुन रहा है, तो वो उसको ये ना लगे यार ये क्या चल रहा है. he should feel the groove, he should feel the mix master की quality, he should feel the video quality. And तभी हमने फिर अभी रिलीज करा. I think Dhvani also, she's not done song from past 8 months just because of this reason or whatever reason. I don't know what the reason is. She's not done.
My reason is that
तो,
only that I haven't done it,
Yeah.
because the quality is important.
Yeah, that's
Not
very great,
really.
Dhvani. That's very great. You should stick to this forever if you want your fans to love you forever. So even Bhushan sir guided me in the same direction कि we will launch music once people are ready to listen to it, ready to watch it. क्योंकि जब तक हमारी ऑडियंस ही नहीं खुश, ऑडियंस ही नहीं उस चीज के लिए रेडी, तो हम म्यूजिक किसके लिए बनाएं. तो इसलिए हमने थोड़ा टाइम लिया. बट जो आप क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे थे कि म्यूजिक चेंज हो गया है, यहाँ इतने में कुछ नहीं चेंज हुआ है. म्यूजिक तो forever है, and it will be here forever. whatever music, पुराना भी चलता है, नया भी चलता है, आने वाला भी चलता है. अभी मैंने फ्यूचर के लिए भी कुछ बना के रखा हुआ है, जो आई थिंक 2022 का 2021 के लिए म्यूजिक है. बट अगर वो हम आज भी डाल देंगे, बट तो पीपल आर रेडी फॉर इट, क्योंकि उन्होंने अभी वर्ल्ड म्यूजिक सुन लिया है. एवरीबडी इज जस्ट वन क्लिक अवे फ्रॉम व्हाटएवर म्यूजिक इज प्लेड इन द वर्ल्ड. सो आजकल तो बस जो भी डालो दिल से डालो, और वो चलता है. मतलब अगर ऑडियंस उसको एक्सेप्ट करती है तो.
We take a little break and come right back on Star Stop. Guru Randhawa and Dhvani Bhanushali with us after forever. It really feels like forever. I'm so glad that it's back, even though in a slightly different way, but it's back. You're back on Star Stop with me, Salil, and well, it's so nice to actually catch up with artists. पहले ऐसा होता था हर 15 दिन में I has to meet new people. 30 days के बाद क्या बात करेंगे? अरे, your hair is like half an inch longer. अरे वाह, how exciting! But today I have so much to say. Dhvani Bhanushali's hair is reached here. Guru Randhawa's face has gone inside. He's working out. And of course, the track is awesome. Thank you guys for joining me. It's awesome. And Dhvani continues to have her coffee, which is what you were living. अच्छा वो water है. अच्छा.
Hydrating.
मैं mint tea पी रहा हूँ, mint tea.
Yeah, I love my coffee. Dhvani, you know, so much has happened in the last 7 months. You know, the kind of question that I was also asking was because the online population has increased to such an extent where it's become insane. Is there a lot of pressure on people like you also now to make sure constantly that you're out there, at least online, you know? Because they call you the online superstar as well. You know, you're like an online baby that became really big online. then songs hit all these magical numbers and unheard of numbers for an artist, initially, because you had a Guru Randhawa who's also breaking every record as far as numbers are concerned. But with you, I remember we've chatted so much about this. Sometimes they troll you, sometimes they do whatever, but there was no doubting the fact that you were a social media phenomenon as well. Did you feel the pressure in the last 6 months? And now have you taken a new view as to the next 6 months, how you plan to do all this online?
I've never sort of had that pressure in my head I have to, because then it's zabardasti putting out content out there, and I've never really wanted that to happen. So everything everything that I'm putting out there has to be organic. It can't be something that's fake, something that's not me. So I've never had that pressure in my head, be it the COVID times, or before that, or even after that. I don't really, of course, before the songs, we kind of plan things out and stuff, but that's always revolving around how I am as a person and what I'm comfortable with. So I'm never going to show a side of me that's not real. And I'm never going to have that thing in my head, ke chalo, abhi now I have to post stuff because I need more followers and all that.
Does it affect you to do follower counts and comments and all those kind of things with other artists when you watch? Does it ever affect you at all if you see somebody's got more, and why they more popular? Because sometimes it happens online with a lot of artists, even though they don't want to say, it doesn't hurt them, but you're just going, why are they not following me more?
So Guru has 20 million followers and he's worked that hard. So I cannot go and say that, oh, why don't I have 20 million followers? I mean, everyone has their own journey. I feel happy when I see people succeeding. I won't be like, अरे इसके पास है, मेरे पास क्यों नहीं है? तो मेरे को उतना काम तो करना पड़ेगा ना. I can't.
ऐसे बहुत कम लोग होते हैं इंडस्ट्री में, and I've realized that with you. Now I've known you for so many years also. You don't let negativity affect you too much. You're cool with it, man, and you walk. Yeah, but it's not easy to do, Dhvani. It's not easy to do. A lot of people will keep asking, are you making the leap forward? Because everyone will always say the surname, the voice, the this, the that. They will always keep at it, but you've always been so chilled about it. What's your mantra for that? Yeah. I want you to give it out to a lot of new singers that are trying to figure out and make their lives on YouTube.
But I don't think so much. Like, I'm not someone, of course I overthink sometimes, but not about things like that are negative. Like, I will not compare myself to anybody around me. I'll just compare myself to someone I was sometime back. And I'll just be like, acha, thoda progress hua hai, abhi aur thoda hoga. I just have this vision.
But the videos, I have to say, हाँ, लेकिन ये घोड़ा जो है ना, बड़े hot visions आ रहे हैं as far as this song is concerned. The entire avatar is super hot for you and for Guru Paji as well. So, was there like, do you decide your look, makeup, all that now, or you just leave that completely to everybody else?
So I believe in not less is more. So every time, I'm shooting, there won't be a lot of makeup on my face. And sometimes when I want to experiment, like with Najatu, I tried to put more makeup on my face, and I looked good, but I wasn't like very happy with it. So I've just kept myself with as much, as less as possible. Even the clothes, I wear what I like. Like the clothes that I'm wearing in the song, the pants are mine. And most of the things are mine. Like they're from my wardrobe. So the things that I wear are always something that I like and that makes me comfortable, even in the song.
Tell me something about Guru on set. Everyone knows, he's, ever since actually when TikTok was there, it was so nice to actually catch up with him, because every day a TikTok video aa jata tha, jo viral chale jata tha. It was good to catch up.
He doesn't like. Should I say it?
What? Say it, tell me. No, now you have to say it. If you let the cat out of the bag, you have to let it out completely.
No. I think he does phenomenal TikTok videos, and also everything that he does is amazing.
Yeah.
But no, मैं फंस गई यार.
नहीं, अब तो बोलना ही पड़ेगा.
No, change the question.
I'll tell you, I don't like posting much TikTok or such videos, because it's too much hard work, and uske liye you have to have a team. You have to have that light on your face. You have to have a guy holding a camera always, and usko slow mo karna hai, fast karna hai. That's too much pressure, which I can't. Yeah, which I can't handle. But whatever you have seen me doing on TikTok, there was in TikTok office, so they had a
TikTok
full
office.
team doing it for me, and that
Even
made,
I went. They shot all these videos for me.
that
was
made
easy.
everything
एक दिन में सब हो जाता.
that made everything easy for me. And same is the reason now with the reels. I haven't posted anything on reels yet because of the same
I
thing.
posted for him today. So yesterday I told him, you'll put that reel or what? He said, no, मैं नहीं डालता, तुम डालो. I was like, ठीक है.
But how is he on set? Tell me about Guru Randhawa on a set where you know that हर एक गाना जो उसने बनाया है इतना सुपर हिट हुआ है. You're out there because कई बार क्या होता है ना, it's like cricket. जब बैट्समैन बहुत अच्छे फॉर्म में रहता है ना और बहुत टाइम तक फॉर्म में रहता है, फॉर ग्रांटेड हो जाता है कि वो भाई 50 तो मारेगा ही, 100 कभी हो जाए लेकिन 50 तो मिनिमम मारेगा ही. बट ये फीलिंग गुरु के साथ नहीं आती. क्यों?
Even after so many songs, he's still that person. He's still so dedicated and still so like it's his first video, you know.
और ध्वनि जिसको हमने लिटरली फर्स्ट वीडियो से देखा है, गुरु पाजी, जो हमारी आंखों के सामने एक बड़ी स्टार बनी है, हम सबके आंखों के सामने, ये आप उसको बहुत करीबी से भी जानते हो. तो ऐसी कुछ बात बताओ ध्वनि की जिसके बारे में हम शायद नहीं जानते. ध्वनि भानुशाली के बारे में,
धोनी के बारे में जो बात नहीं जानते, इसको उससे एलर्जी है मीठे से.
रियली? Really?
I love eating sweets and stuff. ये जो तिरामिसू stuff है, मैं मंगवाता रहता हूँ टी सीरीज में, कभी केक ले आओ, ये ले आओ, मेरा वो चीट बन जाता है. But then she is like always मेरे को एलर्जी है ये वो. I think किसी को इसने बताया नहीं है, but मैं बता रहा हूँ. इस रात से मैं पर्दाफाश कर दिया मैंने आज.
You have an allergy to sweets? Are you serious?
Can't eat
कैसे
sugar. I'm
कर?
allergic. I get acne because of it.
तुम्हारी जिंदगी में मिठास नहीं है. You are allergic to sugar.
Jaggery powder के sachets लेके घूमती हूँ. And then जब मेरे को मीठा खाना होता है तो then I'll have jaggery powder.
तो एक बात बताओ, जब तुम शादी में जाते हो तो तुम क्या करते हो? शादी में तो हर चीज में मीठा होता है.
एक बार
शादी में जाती है ये वहाँ,
कर लिया था.
शादी में जाके सिर्फ,
मैं लाइफ में शादी में नहीं जाऊंगी, किसी खुद की शादी में भी नहीं जाऊंगी मैं.
शादी में ये सिर्फ टिक्कियां खाती है, टिक्कियों वाले स्टॉल के पास खड़ी रहती है, टिक्कियां.
मैं जाती नहीं शादी में, पर किसी की शादी में नहीं जाने वाली.
अच्छा, now tell me, when you all are watching now, अभी एक सेंस आ जाता है क्या, गुरु पाजी स्पेशली विद यू, गाना बना दिया, फील आ जाती है कि आई नो दिस इज गोइंग टू वर्क नाउ, या फिर अभी भी you're little unsure sometimes, waiting for an audience reaction, or inside do you know that it's going to work now?
See, everybody whatsoever musician in the world, whatsoever filmmaker in the world, whatsoever, in that case, you guys doing an interview, or everybody gives their 100% in whatsoever they do. But at the end, audience को ही accept करना होता है. Sometimes we do things which we like at some point of time in our life, which जो audience relate नहीं कर पाता. हमें एज एन आर्टिस्ट मेरे भी कुछ दिल के वो अरमान होंगे, या एज इन के ध्वनि के होंगे, आपके होंगे, या किसी भी फिल्म स्टार के होंगे, या फिल्म मेकर होंगे. यार ये चीज मुझे एक बार लाइफ में करनी है. नाउ आई एम सेटल्ड, लेट मी ट्राई समथिंग which is not me, which is not the audience, which is something else I always wanted to do and I've seen it somewhere. So in that case, it's like a risk वाली बात कि पता नहीं कैसा लगे, but risks are very important in life. We should take risks to change the market, to change the way people look at cinema, to change the way people look at our songs and independent music scene. But अभी भी गाने का तो audience ही decide करेगा कि उस गाने में उनको क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या नहीं अच्छा लगा. सारे गाने जितने भी, मैं I was talking to Dhvani also, जो गाने मेरे शुरू से रिलीज होते आ रहे थे, उसमें से I think the way Baby Girl picked up, only High Rated Gabru and Lahore picked up that way. Wow. एक ही दिन में मैजिक वाला सीन होता है. जो रेस्ट सॉन्ग सूट करदा बहुत धीरे धीरे चला, 4-5 महीने में. बंजारानी बहुत धीरे धीरे चला. Then even in that case,
नहीं गुरु, that time आपका ऐसे स्टार्ट हो रहा था, अभी यूं हो गया है. So there is also a difference. हाँ, one sec. वो तभी ऐसा था. जैसे ध्वनि का भी, after all her initial tracks, 1 or 2, भैया उसके बाद तो it's like this only. Both of you are going up like a mountain.
Still, some songs, even I did few songs which I thought they will work big time. There was this song called Tere Te. उसमें I think 150 million views है. I thought it will be 1 billion song.
150 million भी बहुत होता है भैया. बहुत होता है.
नहीं, but still I thought.
आप दोनों बिलियंस में खेलते हो ना, फर्क नहीं पड़ता दोनों को. ये बिलियंस है, ये बिलियंस का क्लब है.
मुझे पड़ता है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है.
I thought that will go crazy. Same Dhvani has done 2-3 songs of hers which she really likes it, and one
I
of
really
that song
like them. Some then, yeah. So you never know.
Laila hai, then ना जा तू है ना, ये 2 गाने की वो टेलिंग की प्रमोट करो मेरे अच्छे से, हर इंटरव्यू में बोलो ताकि लोग इसको सुने, मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
बट चल रहा है।
ना जा तू है इसका प्लीज सुनो वो सब जाने जाके
Oh,
आप
he's
वो
lying.
गाने।
Don't do this.
नहीं, अभी तो बेबी गर्ल को ज्यादा कुछ बोलने की जरूरत भी नहीं है, सब लोग जाके देख ही रहे हैं। गाइस, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी
हम एक चीज देखो कितनी अच्छी है एज अ म्यूजिशियन, एज एन आर्टिस्ट, every day it's a new journey, every song is a first song, and every time audience loves you, वो आपका पुराना जो थोड़ा थोड़ा बहुत 19-21 हो रखा था उसको भूल जाते हैं। That's such a great part of the
Correct.
audience. I just love everybody for that. क्योंकि I think वही एक मोटिवेशन रहती है आर्टिस्ट के लिए to make something bigger, something better, and something again more musical for the audience. And I love everybody for that. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ बेबी गर्ल को इतना प्यार देने के लिए। आई जस्ट लव दिस, आई लव एवरी सॉन्ग दे हैव लव्ड, एंड वही है जर्नी में ऐड हो रहा है, एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक श्योर आई कीप सर्विंग गुड म्यूजिक टू देम, keep giving original music to them, so that whenever they remember me, whenever they recall, whenever they think about a song, they should think about Guru Randhawa. That's what my motive is.
I'm pretty sure that they do. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. Dhvani, before I go, when am I seeing you on the big screen again? I want to see you on a big screen now. बस हो गया ये. Music video हो गया. Yeah, you. Yes, you. तुम. हाँ, तुम. अभी
3 घंटे की पिक्चर बहुत डिफिकल्ट होती है यार, इतनी
तो ऐसा कर, तू 8 एपिसोड की मिनी सीरीज कर ले, 16 घंटे.
I'll teach you how to act.
Okay, done, sir.
Yeah. I know few. I know how to cry on set. I know how to smile on set. I'll teach you
I know
everything.
how to cry properly. Laugh and cry तो I can do in the middle, जो acting होती है वो मुझे सीखनी है.
मैं क्या करूंगा ना, I'm going to find somebody that is going to cast the two of you all, and then we're going to sit and put the message out there in the universe, as we keep saying, for billions of views for you all.
The poster of the film, if me and Dhvani and one Bollywood actress, we have a jodi, and then they have a jodi, then let's see what people like more, है ना? We'll give a tough competition to whosoever
चलो, I
jodi
know a movie with you, Guru. चलो.
चुनौती बाहर डाली जा चुकी है.
that will be a super duper hit film.
Super duper hit.
Thank you guys for joining me. This was awesome. The song is super duper hit. Dhvani, Guru, I'm going to catch you guys soon. Thank you so much for joining us. Yeah. Bye bye.